Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're looking at a product that promises a hybrid experience, combining the best of both worlds, a balm and a tint. If you're someone who loves a soft, blotted lip with the hydration of a balm, the Revlon Kiss Cushion Lip Tint in Crimson feels might just be your new go-to. Let's get into the details. The Revlon Kiss Cushion Lip Tint is a unique lip product that blends the feel of a moisturizing balm with the appearance of a lightweight stain. It's formulated with coconut oil to keep lips feeling nourished and smooth throughout the day. The star of the show here is the pillowy soft cushion tip, which allows for easy application and gives a soft touch of color that you can build up for more intensity. In terms of performance, the lip tint dries to a blotted lip look, meaning it's perfect for a more natural, diffused finish. If you're into the just kissed vibe or prefer a less glossy lip, this could be a great fit. The shade Crimson Feels is a rich, deep red that adds a lovely flush of color without being too overwhelming. I've been using this product for the past few days, and I have to say, the ease of application is impressive. The cushion tip glides over the lips effortlessly, leaving a soft, almost weightless finish. It feels incredibly hydrating, something you don't always get from tints. And as promised, it has the texture of a balm, which is great for those days when you want color without sacrificing moisture. The color is buildable, so you can go for a light stain or layer it up for a more saturated look. However, while it's great for everyday wear, it does have some drawbacks. For one, the tint doesn't last as long as some other lip products I've tried. After a couple of hours, you'll notice it fading, especially if you've been drinking or eating. That being said, it leaves behind a nice stain that keeps your lips looking fresh, so it's not a huge issue for those who prefer lighter wear. Pros: moisturizing. The coconut oil-infused formula keeps lips hydrated. Buildable color. You can go for a soft tint or a more intense look. Comfortable. The balm-like texture feels soft and smooth, not drying. Easy to apply. The cushion tip makes for a smooth but precise application. Cons: longevity. The tint fades relatively quickly, especially after eating or drinking. Sheer finish. While that's great for a natural look, it may not be enough for those who prefer a more vibrant, lasting color. Now, in terms of value for money, the Revlon Kiss Cushion Lip Tint is a solid choice if you're looking for something that delivers hydration with a splash of color. It's not as long-wearing as other tints or lipsticks in the market, but if you're after a more casual, effortless look, this could be right up your alley. As for comparisons, there are other tinted balms on the market, like Burt's Bees Tinted Lip Balm and Clinique Chubby Stick Moisturizing Lip Color Balm. These options are similar in feel, but may not offer quite the same buildable intensity. The Revlon product does stand out for its cushion tip, which gives it a unique, fun factor that some others lack. For build quality, the packaging is simple and practical. The cushion tip feels soft, yet firm enough to apply a decent amount of product without excessive pressure. It's not the most luxurious packaging, but it gets the job done. If you're looking for a more affordable alternative, Maybelline Baby Lips offers a similar balm-like tint for a lower price. It's worth checking out if you want a budget-friendly option with comparable performance. To wrap up, if you love soft, cushiony textures and want something that provides hydration while offering a touch of color, the Revlon Kiss Cushion Lip Tint in Crimson Feels is a solid pick. It's best for those who prefer a more natural, low-maintenance lip color that's easy to apply and doesn't feel heavy. It won't give you all-day wear, but it will keep your lips feeling comfortable and moisturized. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.